Hello, welcome to Atal Tinkering Lab video series. Atal Tinkering Lab helps you translate your innovative ideas into reality. In this video series, you will learn about all the equipments in your Atal manual and what you can build using them. So, let's get started. In the last video, we talked about what a 3D printer is and its part. Today, I am going to walk you through how to download 3D models, design your own creation, and finally, how to print them. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Downloading 3D models. The easiest way to start with 3D printing is by downloading pre-designed models. There are some amazing websites where you can find models for free. One of the most popular websites is thinkweavers.com. You can also check out My Mini Factory and Cults 3D. This is the ThinkWeaver website. Browse the model. Once you have found a model you like, download the STL file, which is the format 3D printers use to print objects. Now, if you want to design your own 3D model, you can use free software like Tinkercad or advanced one like Fusion 360 or Blender. I will show you how you can use Tinkercad. Tinkercad is really beginner friendly. You can start with basic shape and build your own design step by step. Let me show you a quick design. I will show you how you can make a keychain with your own name. You can take a shape, then you can add text on your shape. Once you are happy with your design, click Export and choose the STL format. Now it's ready for printing. Preparing the model for printing. Now that we have our STL file, the next step is to prepare it for printing using slicing software. I recommend using Cura. Download Cura if you have not downloaded yet. I have already downloaded it in my laptop. Now I will show you how you can open STL file in Cura. Right click on the file which you have downloaded. Then click on Open With. After that, click on Cura Software. It will open the STL file in Cura Software. Now click on Slice and then save the file in your SD card. Remember one thing, you need to use an external SD card. You will be uploading the file in your SD card and then you will insert the SD card in your 3D printer. Then turn on your 3D printer. After that, select the file which you want to print. Once you have selected the file, click on Print. It will start the 3D printing of your file. As you can see, our keychain is ready. So that's it for today's video. Like, subscribe to the channel. Let us know what you plan to build in the comment section below.